false alarm. We'd pulled over on Moe South Road thinking that we're going the wrong way, or someone had missed a turn or something. False alarm. We've all been going the right way. Everything's fine. So yeah, Moe South Road, interesting bit of road this. I think I need to wait for the couple. I'm trusting they'd catch up with me though. There's Nick the Cricket. Let Nick the Cricket go. There you go. Take that, Nick. Good footage. There you go. Cruising. Cruising and showing off your ass. There you go. God, there's a bit of ability for you. Nick's showing what he can do. Yeah, watch this, Nick. No hands. Only briefly though. Alright, I'm going to cruise it. I'm going to wait till a couple come up. Back roads though. I'm liking it like Cola. You know what I mean? I'm liking it like Cola. How far are the couple? I don't know if I can wait for them. They need to catch up to me. Yeah, I'm going to stick with Nick the Cricket. Look at that road. You don't want to keep going straight there, you'd end up in the driveway. You see the driveway? At the end? Gee, look at that countryside here, eh? No. Something tells me don't wait on the couple. Don't wait on the jazz couple. Because they're being held up inappropriately themselves. And they wish they were over here. Well, look at that. Let's just focus on what we got right here. Which is a hell of a view. And a hell of a traffic hazard, whatever's. Is it debris, is it? Probably debris. Gee, bumpy. What a view! Nice. Oh, maybe I will wait for them. Oh yeah, no, we'll wait for them. I'm going to pull over. Oh, I know why. Yep. I'm going to wait for the couple. Alright, I'm going to slow it down a bit. Cruise it, because we've got 4 minutes on the dial. Plenty of time for the couple. Meanwhile, we can enjoy the view. Some retaining walls. Pretty as dog biscuits, eh? If you're a dog. Pretty as dog. Oh, there's someone coming there. Not sure who that is. Oh, let him go. That's it. Oh, that's the African twin. That's the African twin. Rollin', 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 down the mountain we are going. Ha ha. So you try doing this in the old days with your stallion, eh? Your horse would be puffed out by now. Look at the houses back down there, eh? But these days you can do this sort of stuff on your black stallion, and it's effortless, you know. Doesn't take much effort at all these days on your black stallion. On your black stallion, it's pretty easy. Black stallion. Look how easy this is, eh? Oh, we got a turn. Oh. He's going that way. He's going that way. I'm going this way. And he's going that way. We're both going this way. There's couples. Alright, back in the third gear, cruising it. Now we're on Mirboo North-Trafalgar Road. Mirboo North-Trafalgar Road. We got a fanger behind me, I think. I'll let him through in due course. Well, the heat's getting on a bit now. That's what the heat says. 28 degrees now. 4 o'clock. And it's 28, 4 o'clock, and it's 28 degrees. Slow vehicles lane. There you go. Off you go, finger. Later, finger. God, what's a 40 zone doing out here in Mirboo North-Trafalgar Road? Far out. I reckon I'll pick a shade, eh? Pick a shade in the view and then wait for the partnership, I reckon. It's probably the best way to go. Pick a shade in a view. Slow vehicles use left lane. I'd stop there if that was the shade. But it ain't a shade. Oh, hang on. I'd stop here if this is the shade. Guess what? It's a shade. I'm just waiting for the couple. Oh, here they come. Look at those. Oh, nice. Best looking couple.
That's the couple?
Yeah. That's the couple. We look better though.
I can't believe. I was so shocked when I got here. My God, we are the youngest. So
Yep, and the smartest.
a group of us so old.
Mm.
I was so surprised.
Count yourself lucky. You're living your retirement years way before your retirement years.
But I assume, you told me, but I still assume that bike riding group would be like young as us or in their 30s. I didn't expect any 20s, but maybe 30s would be
Yeah,
the
but
majority.
young people don't buy BMWs because it's too much money. Young people buy Yamahas, Hondas, Suzukis, Kawasaki's. It's only after they've spent a lot of money on all the crap, they eventually realise when they're 50 or 60, they should have spent their money on the BMW to start with. But by then it's too late, you say? Well, it's the same as me. I always thought, oh, I'm not going to buy a BMW, too much money. Oh, is that them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's them. Oh, let's go. Down. Oh, what's he saying? Saying something. Huh?
The suspension.
No good?
Yeah, it's become too soft.
Oh.
Yeah,
I can feel the bumpy.
Try and adjust it now.
I did. If nothing's happening, when I switch to max, it's not going up. Nothing.
Even if you hold it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, how about you get off and turn the bike off? Reset. Yeah, now turn the bike off.
Turn it up.
Turn it off. Yeah.
Oh, there was a big
And-
hole back there.
Yeah, get off again.
Front went bang. Get off?
Yeah. Just reset everything.
I don't think it's.
Put your side stand. Oh. Yeah. Nothing.
No, it's not working.
You've lost your suspension.
I think so, yeah, it looks like
I'm getting heavier after
too
lunch.
heavy.
I could go to
Oh my god.
Okay, in that case,
Lost her suspension.
we won't hold you back. We will U-turn. I will head straight to Port Bank. Yeah, we'll have them check.
Hey, lose some weight, will ya? Far out.
Okay, we'll see you in the next ride.
Alright.
Alright,
Nice meeting
ciao.
you.
Ciao.
Alright, see you, Cindy. Alright.
See you next time, okay?
Bye.
Bye now, sir.
Bye. Oh, there you go. Sad situation. Their suspension's gone. They can't do anything. No suspenders. It's a bugger. That's a bugger, ain't it? Oh, so that's what she was pointing at when we went through that turn. Suspension. Oh, I thought it was like camera. The camera's. I thought she was trying to say the camera's on. The camera's on. Get in front of the bike so we can film you. Oh well, misunderstood. I had.